3, 2, here we are again. Welcome, friends. We're here on Master Photo Techniques channel, just making the announcement for those of you who are very sincerely interested in upping your game in the portrait realm, the fine art portrait. At our seminars, we've never talked about cameras. We don't. We talk about lighting, posing, selling, creating fine art portraits. And we're having our 33rd annual 3-day workshop in my studio with me for 3 full days, maximum of 7 attendees. That's what we usually cap it at. And if you're interested in spending time with us, hands-on, we'll have the models, we have the photo lab, we have the assistants, we have the backgrounds, we have everything. So if you're one of those that is ready to move up, March 13, 14, 15, 2023, just coming up in a few months, we will have what might be our last in-person workshop. So if you're interested, follow the links and be sure to message me about it. Happy to answer your questions. But this is the formal announcement of our next in-person 3-day workshop. Thanks for being with us.